Creating great case studies doesn't have to take days or require perfect writing. I will show you how one AI builds them for you, step by step, using expert frameworks. And if your case studies aren't working like hoped, this video might actually change how you do them and sell. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to make case studies that convert leads into buyers with this AI assistant. And here's the best part. The AI does all the hard work for you, following a proven 12-step system. This is for you if you're a business owner, a coach, a consultant, or a service provider, or if just you need case studies to sell more. You already know case studies matter, but building good ones, not that easy. And what I will show you is not another template or back-and-forth prompting with ChatGPT. You don't need writing skills or marketing experience because this AI uses methods from Alex Hormozi, Russell Brunson, and Dan Kennedy. Here's what we'll cover. First, how to collect the right information. Then, how the AI turns it into a persuasive case study. And finally, how to format it for different situations, sales calls, emails, social posts, and more. I've spent 18 years in sales across 37 countries, closing six-figure deals and beyond. And case studies have always been my best tool because they show proof, not just claim. So now let's dive in. So we will use this AI assistant, Case Study Crafter GPT. But this AI assistant isn't just a writer, it's a sales asset builder. It starts by helping you collect the right insights, then apply expert frameworks to build the case study, and finally format it for any sales and marketing channel you choose. But here's what makes it special. It doesn't just create documents, it creates beliefs. And once you see how it works, you will start thinking, why I'm not just using this for every offer I sell and every case study I build? So let's have a look at the first step. First and foremost, the biggest reason why case studies fail isn't the writing, it's that inputs are weak. What do you ask your client? How do you avoid boring them? If this first step feels like guesswork, you're not alone. That's why the AI assistant comes with a complete client script and questionnaire. It knows what inputs to extract because it's built around what converts. You will find both the script and questionnaire inside my CCGG community here in the GPT lab, because this is an AI assistant with crafting in the GPT lab. And here there are the questionnaire and the interview script. And guess what? These are the questionnaire with 12 series of questions, or if you prefer to discuss with your customer and interview the customer, this is the script with the conversational interview flow here, okay? With what you should say, etc. Okay, what you should do and what follow-up question you should ask. And guess what? This is not me who created these scripts. This is the AI assistant. I ask it to create the right set of questions to collect the right inputs so that it can apply the right frameworks on the right data, basically, okay? These are the questions, and this is the conversational flow, and it's very good. So with this asset, you can either interview your customers using a proven script, or send them a questionnaire done for you, or give them access to the AI assistant that will collect the right inputs and the right information. So here's how you gather the data. You can talk to your clients and record a call, send them a short questionnaire, or let them interact with the AI directly. The inputs comes from two sources, main sources, your customer, of course, and also yourself, your own team. Once you've collected the right inputs, the real transformation begins. Because what the AI does next is where most templates fall flat and where this AI assistant actually shines. So let me show you how it looks. The AI walks through a 12-step framework. But these sections aren't random. They are based on persuasive strategies from top experts like Alex Hormozi, Russell Brunson, and Dan Kennedy. I won't go deep into all 12, but let me give you a quick overview. So these are the 12 stages. There are headlines, client introduction, previous attempt, decision trigger, implementation, results and transformation, some objections they may have before implementing the solution, lessons and takeaways, client testimonial, implementation guide, relate case studies, and then about you, plus CTA, okay? So these 12 stages build proof, create emotional connections, frames your offers through story, and addresses fears and objections without ever feeling pushy. So now if you want to see how it looks interacting with the AI assistant, basically the AI assistant will go to through the 12 steps, and each time it will request inputs. So let's take the example of the stage 5 of the case study, which is implementation process. Okay, it will identify what section of the case study we're working on. It will select the right framework. Here it's Brunson visual process flow, progressive disclosure. And then it will request for the inputs, okay, retrieve and use input collections. And then it requires the inputs. And these are the inputs you've collected among your team or interviewing your customers or sending a questionnaire to your customers, right? So you already have this. I will just give it the inputs, okay? As a matter of fact, for this case, I generated the inputs. This is not a real case study. This is a case study I generated using ChatGPT. Basically, I send the questionnaire to ChatGPT so I can answer the question in the right way, so that I can use that for showing you how it works with this AI assistant, right? Side note here. So here it confirmed the inputs, and then it applied a framework to format the outputs, so to create the section in the case study using the inputs. And this is what it does. This is a visual process flow, so step-by-step implementation overview, step 1, step 2, step 3. So here it's all about website optimization, funnel creation, soft launch, and testing, etc. Some challenges encountered during implementation, and then the timeline of it. And that's it. So now I have my section for my case study, okay? So now step 6, it will just require for validation. And if I validate it, we can go on the next stage, okay? And it will do this 12 times, okay, for each section. Let me remind you the full process. Well, first, we will use this AI assistant. It requests from it some inputs. We prepare the inputs using the assets that the AI assistant has built and that I give you access to in the CCGG community if you're interested. And then we will use these inputs we collected from the customers and the team and our team to answer each questions, like each series of questions the AI assistants will ask to craft the right section of the case study. Then the AI assistant will use the right framework by Alex Hormozi or Russell Brunson or Dan Kennedy, or sometime a combination of both, of the three of them. And it will create the output, like the section in the case study, packaging the information according to the framework, right? Very simple. So the structure isn't just eye converting. It actually makes your prospect feel like they're seeing themselves in the story. Why? Because we're using all these very effective frameworks by top business experts, Alex Hormozi, Russell Brunson, Dan Kennedy. Okay, but there is more. There is something important that you need to understand. Why this works better than most case studies out there? I will tell you in an instant. Most case studies talk about the product, but great ones talk to the prospect. And this AI doesn't just describe features, it frames them in a way that speaks directly to what your ideal customers wants, fears, remembers, believes. It's optimized for your target avatar. It builds empathy, it anchors credibility, and it overcomes doubts in a natural way. You get stories that sell without writing a single word. You don't need to know copywriting. You don't need to master persuasion. You don't even need to explain your product that well. The AI does it for you. So even if you do know this stuff, it will help you go deeper and faster. It's like having a pro strategist sitting next to you. So now that you've got the sales grade case study, what do you do with it? That's what we will cover next. Most people create case study and let it sit in a folder. But this tool formats your story for action. You want a sleek PDF for sales calls, a condensed version for email, a visual post for LinkedIn, or lead magnet to attract inbound leads? It's all done. This means your case study can start work for you across every platform automatically. And here is the tip. Use it before the call, not after. Prospect will show up already believing in your offer. And there is another tip. You can use it during a call. Okay, show proof, don't tell. Okay, after going through the full process, doing the 12 stages to build the 12 section of the case study, giving the right inputs each time, I got a final case study, which is that one here. That's my case study. It's very developed, really written, okay? And so I could just turn it into a document as is. Most probably adding few illustrations, but that's it. Okay, I have my 12 sections, well developed. That's a good one. It's quite easy to read, very interesting, optimized for conversion. But now I want to change the format, and I want, for instance, to create a slide deck, a well-developed slide deck for that. Okay, guess what? I will use the AI assistant. This is exactly what I did here. I requested it to format it into slides, well-developed slides, so that I can use them during a meeting, for instance, or during an official presentation. Okay, so here it does it section by section to ensure that the execution is right and I have full control. And this is how it looks. Okay, it's already ready formatted. I can just put it in Gamma AI, and this is generating this. Okay, I did no edit here. Okay, that's the case study. Now let's imagine I want to repackage it and format it more as a full case study, but PDF. Lighter, less information, really a summary. Okay, so this is what I asked here, and this is what we got. Okay, that's the one. Okay, it's more compact, leaner, better for PDF, shorter as well. Now let's suppose I want to format it for a LinkedIn carousel. So this is what I asked here. Okay, good for sending by email or a carousel, a social media post. So now once again, it's even shorter. It's even more compact, and then put it in Gamma. This is what I got here. Okay, that's the new case. That's the very same case study, but presented in a different manner. Here, I could be a social media post on a carousel. So we're almost there, but before I give you access, I explain to you how you can use it and how you can access it. Let's quickly recap why this changed the game. Here's why it's different. It helps you collect exactly the right information and use proven sales psychology to build persuasive stories. It formats your case study so you can actually use it everywhere, and you don't need any writing skill here. You don't need any persuasion skill. Just inputs in and sales assets out. So actually, this GPT was creating in CCGG community. The custom GPT was creating in the GPT lab here. A member requested, so that's the one, and this is where you can access it. GPT building case study here, you can access it with the access to GPT, the questionnaire for input collection, and the interviews input collection. So here you just need to go to my school community, CCGG. There is a free trial, so you can use it for free, access the resource, implement, and get results, get crazy good case studies that drive sales without too much effort to create them.